Hi everyone, thanks for joining us for episode 5. We're very excited to share with you finally on the road after 3 weeks stuck in Pukekohe waiting for those lithium batteries.
Yep, so the lithium's arrived and during the preceding 2 weeks I designed and built the circuit. We installed the batteries and we've been running on batteries for a little over 2 weeks now, 100% on solar, and it's been really great.
So there's lots to share. We headed down south through Rotorua and on our way back up to the Bay of Plenty for, of course, the wedding. That was really the focus, wasn't it? Getting out on the road, getting used to Stella, moving around, and then heading up for Lauren and Eric's wedding. And we had a great time with family. It was awesome. So thanks for joining us. We hope you really enjoy the material that we've put together, and we'll catch you at the end.
Ngaruawahia is a town in the Waikato region of North Island of New Zealand. It is located 20 kilometres northwest of Hamilton at the confluence of the Waikato and Waipo rivers and is adjacent to the Hakeremata Range. Ngaruawahia is in the Hamilton urban area, the 4th largest urban area in New Zealand. The population is approximately 6,500 people as of last year's census. Ngaruawahia's name comes from a 17th century love story. Tanare, a Waikato chief, and Heki I Tarangi, a Ngāti Maniapoto woman, eloped. When their tribes were reconciled at a great feast, Tanare began the festivities by saying, "Wahia Narua," break open the food pits. The town was renamed Queenstown and then in 1870 Newcastle. The town became Ngaruawahia again in 1877.
Come on! We got a hill up here, Jinx. Mama's gonna have to go up the hill. Ooh! dead. He's beating us. Oh no. Challenge in life hits you, just gear down and you just keep moving. Keep on moving. Ooh. This is a goodie. Ooh. Oh. Keep leaning forward. That's it. There we go. We did it. We did it. We got up.
I got my tongs and I dived into the mighty Waikato and I have before me the catch.
Gets for the paper roof.
It's like that game where you unwrap things with a bit of it.
Pass the parcel.
And while we're at it, just so we know, this is Billy Connolly,
Hello.
aka Bob. After 7 days in Ngaruahi, it was now time for us to pack up and start heading south towards Rotorua. We had heard about a business near a small township of Mamaku called Mamaku Blue, where they grow blueberries and gooseberries and make amazing products out of those. The neat part was that Mamaku Blue offers a POP, or a park over property, through the NZMCA. So we were able to park there for the night, free of charge, and enjoy the facilities. We were welcomed by the 2 resident donkeys. We don't know their names, but boy did they give us a great welcome. Here's a little bit about the history around Mamaku Blue. It was started in 1982 by Harry and Anne Frost, who planted their first blueberry blocks. They were one of perhaps 18 growers in the Rotorua region that were registered to export fruit around the world. Today, they're the only ones left. In their shop, you can purchase fresh blueberries when they're in season, and a variety of different amazing products that have been made from this fruit. Do you know their 1 litre pure blueberry juice uses at least 1,200 or more blueberries? In the cafe, you can enjoy their scone, blueberry jam and cream, and you can make up your own gift packs. Groups are welcome to attend, and as you saw the day we were there, a lovely group of elderly people visited and enjoyed a lovely morning tea. The gift packs are a huge variety, and you've got to have one of their hot blueberry muffins. After a lovely rest, we were able to then move on to Rotorua. We headed further south to Nongataha, where the NZMCA Park is located. If you'd like to know more about Mamaku Blue, the links to their website and Facebook will be down below.
E o matua te kore, anei rā tō moko puna. Hono ai te ao tawhito ki te ao hou, kia ako ai e te ao whānui, i ngā taonga o ngā mahi puoro e.
After a short stay at the Nongataha NZMCA Park, now it was time to head north to Tauranga. We were excited because this is what we had been working towards all these weeks, getting ourselves prepared and ready with our lithium batteries so we could be self-contained and head down and then eventually back up to Tauranga for our family wedding. We were very excited to be there with family over the next week and sharing that time with Lauren and Eric. What a great place to stay! An avocado orchard just outside of Tauranga in the Omanawa area, Bay Bell Orchard with Brendan and Louise Mead. Thanks guys, what a fantastic place to stay. For the first few days we were the only ones parked, and then a couple more caravans and people joined us. Staying at Bay Bell gave us more opportunities to be self-contained, to test out our solar panels and ensure that we are well set up. This is a great example of the pop and cap facilities that are available through the NZMCA membership. Now it's time for the wedding and that cake. Thanks Nicola for the loan of your kitchen over the few days leading up to the wedding. It was pretty busy. And to Rebecca and Mark for the use of your home so that Dad and Faye could stay and we would have a place to be able to get some of the finer details done on the day of the wedding. A huge congratulations to Lauren and Eric Maddox. Your wedding was beautiful. There was not a dry eye in the ceremony. The service was held at the Bethlehem Chapel on the Bethlehem campus. And the chapel that is over 100 years old, so I'm sure there's lots and lots of stories and weddings that have been held over the many, many years. So I hope you really enjoyed that. That was fun putting it together. It was a bit of a marathon, wasn't it? All that material.
Yes, and as you can see, we've had quite a few stopovers, and there's been a few days here, a few days there. Definitely not the kind of pace you want to set going forward. We'd like to slow down and actually start enjoying the things that we're actually doing.
And I think now that the wedding's out of the way, we can kind of just meander and do what we want. So we're in a very cool location right now, as you can see through the back, and episode 6 will fill you in. Thanks again, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notifications button. And if you're not on our Facebook page, then join us there, and we'll catch you next time. Bye.
Catch you later.
Hey, thanks for joining us. We've been on the road now for several weeks, and we thought we'd just say a little hi to everyone and thank you for joining us. We've put together our trip from Pukekohe right through to our family wedding in Tauranga, and it's been an exciting few weeks, hasn't it?
It certainly has.
Oh, come on, Kevin. Right, start again. It certainly has. Hi. Well, it's that time again. We're about ready to launch.
Oh, look at me. Look at
No.
Still got that white paper there.
Where?
There. At the base of your nose.
Oh,
There.
pick it off.
Now it's gone, yes.
Far out.
Alright, start again. And take.
Right, we're at that time again where we're Hi everyone, it's been exciting the last few weeks, and we're